Welcome to Wondershare Virbo. Today we are going to share 4 types of TikTok ad for ultimate brand exposure. TikTok has been growing and evolving, which makes it an ideal platform for any brand ready to take on new trends. But what makes TikTok ads stand out from the rest? Here are 4 types of TikTok ads that can help you expand your brand's presence. Type 1. In-feed ads. In-feed ads appear in between user-generated content, and it fits seamlessly into the user's browsing experience. They can be used to promote product launches, events, or even to drive traffic to your website. Type 2. Branded hashtag challenge. Branded hashtag challenges can enhance user engagement and are an excellent method of user-generated content. A branded hashtag challenge is fun, interactive, and promotes your brand while also creating a buzz around it. Type 3. Brand takeovers. Brand takeovers are full-screen ads that appear when users open the app. They take the user to a landing page or a hashtag challenge. Brand takeovers are ideal for introducing your brand to a new relevance and capturing leads quickly. Type 4. Top view ads. Top view ads are similar to brand takeovers. They dominate the user's entire screen before accommodating other content. These ads are an ideal way to showcase new products, demonstrate brand visuals, or provide a deeper understanding of your brand's values. Thanks for watching, and we hope this helped you utilize TikTok ads to enhance brand exposure. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content like this.